So let's talk about Jamaica's economic boom, planting prices, and prosperity under Andrew Holness. Hey everyone, it's Skywalker. Welcome back to my channel where good coffee makes bad people upset. Still, we must smell the brew anyway. Yeah. You ever wondered why a single finger of planting costs $300? Well, it's not just inflation. It's a sign of Jamaica's booming economy under Andrew Holness. In the face of global economic challenges, Jamaica is experiencing a remarkable transformation. Under the leadership of Prime Minister Andrew Holness, the nation is on a path to unprecedented growth and prosperity. Let's look into this and see how his policies are making a difference. Andrew Holness has been busy planting the seeds of economic growth. From tax incentives to infrastructure development, his policies are like fertilizer for our economy. And guess what? The fruits are ripening. Thanks to these reforms, businesses are thriving and the economy is growing at a steady pace. It's like watching a garden bloom, except this garden is filled with opportunities and prosperity. You have to open your eyes and you cannot be lazy. The opportunity just doesn't go chasing after people. Jamaica could become the richest country in the world, but lazy people will never see the difference. And they will tell you that not na guan. Make sure you are not one of those. What all the above really means is that the country is in a place where you have the opportunity to create your own prosperity. You have to go and find opportunity when it is available or where it is available. It is not smart or it is unwise to expect that prosperity will magically come to you, whatever your name is, just because you want some and it is here somewhere. That's not how these things work in life, at least not in real life. The only result is that you will keep saying, not Nangwan. You will only join that chorus and then you will wonder how things are going for everybody around you. Years ago, you could go to the farm and produce tons of crops and still don't make enough. You remember those farmers, they were working so hard producing all this stuff and they still couldn't make enough money. Because first thing is that those local produce were not selling because cheaper produce were coming from abroad. But it's not so anymore. The Jamaican public is desperately waiting for your product to come in. So where is it? Where is your product? It's different now. Your product will be on good price because enough people have money to buy it. Back in the days, more people had to just make do without much, right? So they couldn't even buy market stuff as they do today. you know. So make use of this opportunity, for it means that you don't have to depend on someone to employ you. However, it is essential to depend on yourself, to not be lazy and expect handouts. With what is coming around the corner, crime is becoming less of an option. So people might soon find less time for rubbing their handmiddles. Things change and you must adjust. Maybe the adjustment will mean you have to work now. It doesn't mean that not nagwan. Nothing doesn't usually go on all by itself. You must make it go on, isn't it? So, can't find a job? Maybe it's time to create one. Because sometimes when you cannot find a job, it's because you were not prepared for the jobs that are available. With the economy growing, there's more money moving around. If you can't find a job, I say plant a tree. I mean, literally. Imagine the profits from selling plantains at $300 a finger. And if you are not into farming, there are plenty of other opportunities. Andrew Holness has created programs like Heart NSTA to help people gain the skills they need to succeed. So, no more excuses. Get out there and make your own prosperity. It's right there, right in front of you. Jamaica is now a hotspot for foreign investors. It's like we have become the Caribbean Silicon Valley, but with better beaches and jerk chicken too. International companies are setting up shop here, bringing jobs and boosting local businesses. This influx of foreign investment is a testament to the confidence the world has in Jamaica's economic potential. So let's keep the momentum going and to welcome these investors with open arms. Don't don't let all these foreigners see potential for prosperity in your country while all you see is not Nagwan. Think about that. That's not kosher at all, brother. It's not kosher at all. And don't say that the game is rigged. That is not a good excuse anymore. Or at least it's much better than before now. It's a lot much better now. Are you stuck in the past? Don't be stuck in the past. It's better. It's better now. Andrew Holness isn't just helping big businesses. He's got the backs of small and medium-sized enterprises now too. With funding, training, and resources, he's turning entrepreneurs into economic superheroes. Whether you are starting a new venture or expanding an existing one, there's support available to help you succeed. So let's celebrate the entrepreneurial spirit and watch our economy soar. What you can do is research and find where you can get the support. But there's always somewhere that you can get support from. And moreover, there's always something that you can do. The future looks bright, brother. Hmm? Folks, the future looks bright. With upcoming projects and initiatives, Jamaica is on the path to even greater prosperity. From infrastructure development to technological advancement, there's a lot to look forward to. So let's support Andrew Holness and keep this economy train chugging along. Together, we can build a prosperous future for Jamaica. So, next time you see a pricey plantain, remember it's a symbol of our economic growth. Just remember. Let's keep supporting Andrew Holness and watch Jamaica flourish. And hey, maybe plant a tree or two while you are at it. That's all for today, my people. Think about what I have just said and look out for more from the Skywalker. Because sometimes we say all these simple things, but it means more than we wrap our heads around. We should think about these things deeply sometimes. Peace out.